Research challenges lead to professional growth. My name is McInerney, and I am a second semester senior here at Quinnipiac University. I major in biology, minor in anthropology and chemistry, and have a pre-medical concentration. I will be taking 2 to 3 gap years before applying to medical school. For my experiential learning, I was a research assistant, and the laboratory was located at the Netter MD School of Medicine in North Haven. My mentor is a biomedical sciences assistant professor here at Quinnipiac University and is also mentoring a graduate student. My role was to assist with the graduate student's thesis, which investigates the effects of physical fitness on the body's ability to defend against the production and accumulation of reactive oxidative species. For this study, volunteers undergo a pre-participation screening to determine whether they are eligible and to give their informed consent. During the test visit, the participants provide a urine sample to determine their hydration level. Participants must be properly hydrated before beginning the VO2 max test on the treadmill or Wingate test on the stationary cycle. After performing the test, the participants provide 3 urine samples, immediate post, 30 minutes post, and 60 minutes post-exercise. Prior to the pandemic, I started volunteering with my current mentor on a similar project. I was trained to run the VO2 max test. This requires learning hands-on skills such as putting VO2 masks on the participants, calibrating the computer software, and hooking the participant up to the computer and other machines. Therefore, I did have some hands-on research skills going into this experience. Our main obstacle was recruiting participants to be involved with our research. To start with our recruitment efforts, my mentor created a task list, which included making recruitment materials, forwarding them in emails, and hanging posters in academic buildings. I sent emails to Campus Life to be included in the Bobcat Bulletin, the Student Government Association to forward emails to each graduating class, and the RHDs to request their RAs send emails to their residents. I also participated in some recruitment tabling. Prior to this experience, I had limited knowledge on research recruitment and did not understand the challenges and communication that came with it. Through various readings for lecture assignments, I learned, quote, "The goal of the informed consent process is to provide sufficient information to a potential participant in a language which is easily understood by him/her so that he/she can make the voluntary decision regarding to or not to participate in the research study." Nahawan, 2013. Recruitment tabling proved to be the most challenging for me because this is where communicating scientific knowledge came into play. I found that being completely truthful and honest about the research was difficult. Not because I felt the need to lie, but because recruits asked me questions that I didn't know the answer to. For example, someone asked me about the Wingate test. I admitted that I had not been trained on the Wingate procedure yet. I couldn't be dishonest. It's unethical and the consequence is conviction.